My sister-in-law came over the other night and told me that I needed to tell the internet about my guidebooks. I'm the dopamine designer. I help people create spaces that they love that are based around your interior design personality. If you don't know what that is, you can go take the quiz. There's a link to it in my bio. This is the guidebook for type 2. In each guidebook, you learn about your sister styles, what it would look like if you changed just one preference. You're given a list of interior design styles that match your type, because I don't know about you, but I'm not just one interior design style. I like multiple things. What you're actually drawn to is the color, contrast, the shapes, and the design intensity. So I've organized that into different interior design styles. You're then given visual examples of all those interior design styles, along with tips on how to decorate in that style. And then you're given color palettes. So have you ever wondered what your style would look like if you changed the colors or made a different choice in colors? Well, now you have a visual example of different color palettes. You can easily see if you actually would like teal in your room or not. And then we talk a little bit about the shapes that you like in your space, and then you're giving a checklist. I love a good checklist. For this particular style, it shows you how to be a minimalist and what you need to do to make a minimalist space. And then is the fixture, furniture, and textile inspiration part. There are a lot of pages that you can use. You can take them to the store with you and you can say, okay, is this gonna fit my style preference? Well, you pick something that looks like this on the page and you're golden. It's gonna look good in your space. There's different textiles, flooring, tile, curtains, just so much stuff. Oh, even plants, furniture, all with visual examples. And all of these are linked. So if you actually like something like that chair, it's linked to Amazon. You can go purchase it. And very last, I have a bunch of other books that you can buy on Amazon if you want more inspiration for your type. The link to purchase is in my bio. Hope that helps.